Hi everyone, welcome to 10 on the 10th. This is a collab hosted by Kim, who is Metal Scrapping Chick. Each month on the 10th, any time of the day, we do Christmas cards, and the idea is to make 10 each month so that by the time the holidays roll around, we are prepared to send out our Christmas cards. Hopefully I'll get them out this year. Otherwise, this is, well, anyway. Okay, so I was really not feeling Christmas cards this month. I lost a dear friend. Haven't seen her in a long time, but she was my childhood, one of my two best childhood friends, and lived on my same street, 2 houses down, you know, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, and it was kind of, well, sort of sudden, just like within the last month. Been sick and all that kind of thing. Anyway, I don't want to get into all that, but my mental, I just wasn't feeling Christmas cards, but I didn't want to not participate this month. So what I decided to do was go kind of easy. I have a lot of retired paper, so I pulled out this Classic Christmas, which went with the Quite Curvy. There was a special bundle last year, and I thought, you know what, I want to use this set. It used to be bundled, the Pine Tree Punch. I also used either the Merry Christmas or May This Special Season Be Wrapped in Love and Joy. So these are current. They carried over into the new annual catalog if you're interested. This is retired. The only other things I used that were current, I'll show you next, are I used some red rhinestones on some and some shaded spruce from the Holiday Rhinestone Basic Jewels, and these have been carrying over since the Holiday 2019 catalog, which I'm grateful for. I did use retired Whisper White Solid Baker's Twine. I did use retired Shaded Spruce Argyle Satin Ribbon, and I used current this white, it's like a linen ribbon. It's from the Flowers for Every Season ribbon combo pack, which is also current. And I used Real Red and Shaded Spruce inks, and I used my layering circle dies. I think it was the second largest. This one, I believe, let me see. Yes, this is the second largest one. And then I also used some retired shinies. I have lots of shinies I have to use up. So on some of them I used red glimmer paper. These are no longer available. And some I used red foil paper from a pack of red and green. I have tons of the green left. I used the brushed metallic, this sort of champagne-y color on a couple, and I used this galvanized metallic, which is sort of a silvery champagne kind of color. They're all retired as well, but I wanted to use some things up. Obviously I didn't use them up, but I did use quite a few sheets of this paper. And then I just used Whisper White Thick because I'm trying to use that up so I can get to my basic white, which is the new color that Stampin' Up! Uses. And all I basically did on all of them, some are vertical and some are horizontal, is I used a shiny in the background. Sometimes it's the same piece that I cut the circle out of, as is true in the galvanized metallic, which is this one, and also the brushed metallic, which is this one. And I punched trees with the Pine Tree Punch out of the designer paper, and on all but I think this one I used the same paper in the background as the tree was punched out of, but I didn't have a big enough piece on the one that is this one. And then on some of them I stamped Merry Christmas, and this punch is it is current also. It's the Everyday Label Punch number 144668 if anyone is interested. And there's the rhinestones and the shade spruce. I have not done anything on the insides of these yet. I'm probably going to just stamp on most of them, hoping that your busy year comes together in Christmas cheer. But I'll probably do that on a separate sheet of Whisper White and then maybe put a strip of the coordinating metallic or paper. I don't know yet. I don't think I have enough of some of the metallics to do like a full background on the inside, so I'll probably just do a white with a strip of the coordinating paper and then that sentiment. I don't know, I didn't get that far. So I'm just going to quickly show you. This uses the shaded spruce argyle, this uses the flowers for every season white, and I see this slid. And I tacked these down most of the time with glue dots because I felt it held better, but I bumped up the circle on dimensionals, and I have some marks on this one. I was gonna texture, do an embossing folder, and I completely forgot. Same up here, but oh well. So these aren't my best cards, sorry everyone. Same thing here, same exact thing except the placement of the rhinestones in shaded spruce. So this is a glitter paper one, and you see these are the same papers front and back. And this one I forgot to put something, twine or whatever, so I just tied a bow on it. Yeah, my brain. This one. And then we have some horizontal ones. These are the red and green foil, just the red foil, which I have a fingerprint on. I have to get a wet cloth and get that off. That's gonna bug me. Anyway, these two, because of the placement of the circle, I didn't have room for the big tag, so I stamped and flagged, made this special season be wrapped in joy and love. This one I bumped up, and this one I didn't. I glued it down. Most of these sentiments are just glued down. And this I used the white twine, and here I used the white linen ribbon stuff. And then again the twine. This is the glitter paper. I think these two are glitter paper. And I didn't decorate the tree at all or anything. And this last one is kind of a mess. I forgot to do the ribbon. Yeah, I cut the paper wrong, so it's just a real thin border. The tree's off center. This one's probably going to go in the trash. But anyway, you get the idea. So those are my cards. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry for my crummy attitude right now. I'm just not in a good place mentally. And now I'm off to clean my house because my brother is going to meet me here tomorrow, and we're going to go to my friends, our friends' services. All right, everyone, take care and have a great day, and be sure you tell everybody you know, family, friends, that you love them. All right, bye everybody.